Hey friends, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. I've been absent. I didn't post last Friday and this video is late this week. I have been swamped, so busy trying to get ready for my Salem big visit and yeah, helping my mother-in-law get into her apartment, which she is in her apartment now, which happened the day before we were leaving. Oh, it's been a crazy week. But I accomplished all of my goals, and I am now back home. I did not record any of my visit because in reviewing all of my previous Salem visit videos, they don't get very much views, or very many views. Let me use proper English here. They don't get a lot of views, and with the amount of work that it takes and time that it takes away from me visiting my kids, I figured I just won't do it this time. So sorry for anyone who is looking forward to them. I only get like 2 or 3 views on any of those videos, and I've done them like 3 or 4 times now, so it's just not really worth it for me to keep doing them when I could be spending that time with my kiddos. I'm shaky today. I'm holding this, it's not on a tripod. But anyway, I got home, forgot my keys. I was taking the rental car back. I had parked my car at the airport so that when I took the rental car back, I could, get home. I got all the way to the airport and went to get in my car and realized that I left my keys at home. So I had to go all the way back and get them, which isn't that big a deal. It's only 15 miles from my house, so it's not like super far. Not like I had to go an hour or anything. But anyway, when I got back, my refrigerator has a lot of really gross stuff in it. So I'm going to clean that out right now with y'all. And then I'll be back to fixing this mess over here. That is my office. As you can see, this part is still clean for the most part, but this part is not. It is even more of a mess because I just got home and I haven't had time to put everything away yet. So we will get to that hopefully sometime this week. I'm trying to catch up schoolwork. Oh, I'm so tired. Excuse me. I am exhausted. It was a long drive and just a lot of work. So let's clean out this refrigerator. Let me show you what we're working with here. It's not good. This chicken is leftover from before we left. My husband forgot about it, and so it is not any good. And it smells red. Excuse me. It smells wretched. This was a week before we left. Same with the soup. I don't even know how old that is. My stuff is fine. My mushrooms are a little bit shrivelly, but they will be okay. And then there's a lot of veggies down here that are shrivelly. Some of them need to be done away with. Yeah. I have ketchup. Why? I assume my husband went to some... Oh, it looks like he went to McDonald's. That's where they're from. So, we're gonna clean up this mess because it's looking pretty bad. Close that drawer, close the fridge so it doesn't start beeping at me preemptively. So let me set everything up and we will work on this, and then I will be back to my mostly regular schedule. Let's go. Alright, there is all of the garbage. I just need to empty those out. I don't want to empty this one out. Ugh, can you see that? Because it's going to be stinky and it's chunky, so yuck. There we go. Much better. Clean and empty again. I didn't do much to the doors. It was really only a half-hearted clean because I was tired of the smell of it whenever I opened the fridge. Oh, it was terrible. Alright, so I'm just going to take all this stuff out to the trash now and wash the dishes that are resulting. I will get back to my regular schedule again now, hopefully. I will see you all next time. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Let me know what you're interested in seeing, because I'm honestly just guessing most of the time. I just go based on my views, so I'm just doing my best. Anyway, I'll see you all later. Take care of yourselves. Have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.